So one of the things I heard this morning or read about this morning that most people, most consumers think that life insurance is way too expensive. Well, without actually talking to somebody about it or even looking it up, and now even on the internet, you can probably find quotes as far as what the pricing is for term insurance, then you'll find out that it'll be pretty affordable, depending on your age and depending on your circumstances and a lot of other things we really need to look into. But I've had this happen to me before. Sat down with somebody who's fairly young, early 30s. They have a house. They primarily want to take care of paying off that house that they just bought. They have a mortgage. And I'm going to use the figure of $250,000. And then with male versus female, you'll find out that male prices are a little bit higher than female, especially if you do not smoke. It's even better because the rates are lower. If you do smoke, you'll have to be tobacco free for about 2 years, and then you'll go back to a non-tobacco. Well, going back to keeping this affordable, keeping this short as far as this presentation, so affordability. So on my cell phone here, and I did this with somebody recently, so I asked them their date of birth, put this in, and this, by the way, an agent here at Empire Brokerage can do this for you as well. So date of birth, turned out to be a 30-year-old, male, non-tobacco, in the state of Texas, $250,000. And then probably more information for this video, but just to let you know, there's 3 issue types that if someone is fairly healthy, then we have 3 options. But I'm going to go with the quote-unquote most expensive one, and that's called standard. So standard, we're assuming that nothing else is wrong with the individual. And what I mean by that is health. I'm going to go with the maximum term, 30 years. And imagine I'm talking to someone here in the past, and when I did this for them, I gave them the results, and I'm literally doing this live here on my cell phone. So the most cheapest, if you will, and I'm using that number, I'm using that on purpose. The cheapest is $35.26, and the most expensive is $54.54, and that's for a 30-year term, $250,000 in death benefit. So now, is that affordable? Well, if you ask me, if you have a family, you have that mortgage, and you have a mortgage payment, and you want to make sure that they pay off that house, God forbid something happens to you, in this case, the head of household. So $54.54. Now, if I go with the most affordable one, typically not a lot of features with that particular solution. And again, for the purpose of this video, I just want to share there's many different options with different carriers and features. But again, is that affordable or is it not? Is it too expensive? Is it not? Again, $35 all the way up to $54. If you need help here at Empire Brokerage, either if you're a consumer or an agent, give me a call at 888-539-1633 and ask for the Life and Financial Department, and someone will help you with that quote.